Winter is here and the world is crazy. And if we've learned anything over the last few years, it's that prepping is not crazy, it's necessary. Today on Wolverine Prepper, we're breaking down the top threats happening right now and what you can do this week to stay ahead of the chaos. Let's get into it. Weather. Brutal winter storms across the U.S. can knock out power for days. Heating becomes life support. What to prep? Safe, indoor heat, like propane heaters, Mr. Buddy heaters, wood stoves. Make sure you have wool blankets, space blankets, insulated clothing, power backup, like power banks, solar generators, extension cords ready, water storage, if pipes freeze, a minimum of 1 gallon per person per day for 7 days. Road readiness, emergency car care kits, shovels, extra clothes, traction, and salt. Cold kills, sometimes faster than hunger. Don't wait until stores are wiped out. Cyber attacks. From the Colonial Pipeline hack to grid attacks, we've already seen how quickly society freezes when the internet or power disappears. What to prep? Printed emergency contacts and maps. Don't rely on phones. Keep cash on hand. If cards go down, you're stuck. Have Faraday bags for critical electronics. Have comms, NOAA, ham, GMRS, CB radios. Lighting, flashlights, lanterns, both battery and propane. Make sure you have extra batteries to power all items. Manual items like hand tools, manual can openers, non-digital backups of important documents. A cyber attack doesn't need explosions to shut us down, just a single keystroke. Government instability. With another possible government shutdown looming in January, SNAP benefits, federal worker pay, and transportation security could stall overnight. What to stock? 60 to 90 day food pantry. Rice, beans, canned meats, pasta, freeze-dried meals, garden seeds, and the ability to grow indoors like microgreens and sprouts, shelf-stable fats like peanut butter, oils, canned butter, water filtration like Sawyer Minis, Berkey-style filters. The supply chain is one bad day away from breaking. Your home must become your grocery store. Geopolitical and social instability, conflicts overseas and division at home, stress supply chains, fuel prices and manufacturing. When systems fail, communities fail. Your prep focus. Local networks, neighbors, clubs, mutual support, bartering items to have, coffee, alcohol, hygiene, batteries. Skills are greater than stuff. Medical training, repairing skills like auto and home improvement, food production. When the world becomes unpredictable, self-sufficiency is stability. Health and medical preparedness. As winter rolls in, sickness is on the rise, and medicine shortages are already hitting antibiotics, insulin, and inhalers. What to prioritize? Extended first aid kits, tourniquets, gauze, over-the-counter meds, sanitation like disinfectants, gloves, and hygiene items. Talk with your doctor about emergency prescriptions, vitamins, and immune support. Get first aid training locally. Health supply chains are fragile. Stock what you rely on. Home security and deterrence. Political tensions and crime spikes mean protecting your home is a priority. Make your home a hard target with outdoor lighting and cameras, reinforced doors and window locks, thorny bushes under windows, clear visibility, no hiding spots for people to attack. Create a neighborhood watch culture. Know your neighbors. Know your local laws for responsible defense, like Second Amendment rights. Preparation isn't about fear. It's about making bad guys look for the easier target somewhere else. Prepping isn't about panic. It's about peace of mind. Pick one thing from each category and take action this week. You'll thank yourself later. And that is the video that we have for today. Hit the like button if you found this video informative. Share it with someone that you know that would also like to see this video. And drop in the comments what you are going to do this week to get yourself ready. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any further videos and you're always notified when videos are coming out. That's all we have for today. This is Paul with Wolverine Prepper. Don't just get prepared, stay prepared. God bless you, and God bless the Republic.